In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade to Claude Pro. By the end, you'll feel confident moving from the free experience to the Pro plan without missing a beat. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Claude AI. This helps you quickly get to the official site, even if you don't remember the exact address. When the results load, look for the official Claude website from Anthropic. Avoid sponsored ads that don't clearly indicate the official domain. A quick check for the secure padlock icon in the address bar is a good habit before signing in. Click the correct link to open Claude's homepage. From here, you'll be guided to sign in. On the Sign In screen, choose Continue with Google if you want to use an existing Google account, or select the email option if you'd rather log in with a work or personal email. Make sure you use the account you want tied to your subscription so your access is where you expect it. Once you're signed in and looking at the main Claude interface, head to the bottom left corner of the sidebar. Click your user profile, which appears as your initials or your name. This opens a small menu with account options that control your settings and preferences. Select Settings from that menu. The Settings page organizes important controls so you can manage your account cleanly. Within Settings, navigate to the Billing tab. It may appear along the top or left side, depending on your screen size, and it's where plan details and payment options live. In the Billing area, click the Upgrade Plan button. You'll see information about what's included in the Pro plan, along with pricing. Take a moment to review what you get and confirm the plan fits your needs. Next, click Get Pro Plan. This moves you to the secure checkout flow. You'll be presented with a payment form where you can provide your credit or debit card information. Enter the card number, expiration date, and security code carefully, and ensure the billing address matches what your card issuer has on file to avoid declines. If your currency or taxes are shown, review them before proceeding. When everything looks correct, click Subscribe to finalize the upgrade. After a brief moment, you should see confirmation that your plan is active. You may receive a receipt via email, and your account will reflect Pro features shortly. If it doesn't appear right away, refresh the page. That's it. You've upgraded to Claude Pro. Enjoy the enhanced limits and features, and feel free to revisit the Billing tab anytime to review or manage your subscription.